This is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first open your Telegram, then go to Telegram settings. Once you reach in this section, tap on privacy and security, and then what you have to do is find sensitive content. So if you cannot find it over here, you can use the web version, and there you will see an option called disable filtering. Simply check on that, and every kind of group, whether it has sensitive content or not, will be showed in your Telegram. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.